May I know your name and age?
My name is Litty. My age is 38.
Okay. Thank you, Liti. Thank you for coming in the clinic. Tell me, how can I help you?
I am 38-year-old and I am worried about my health. 3 months ago, you commenced one tablet of standard aspirin daily to keep my heart and blood healthy.
Mm-hmm.
You are sure that
Okay.
aspirin is working? Because my blood pressure is never been better. However, lately I have been lethargic and irritable. 1 month ago, I
Okay.
started having mild to moderate stomach pain.
Okay.
I am
Okay.
here today for
Uh,
the routine checkup and advise you my recent symptoms.
okay, Liti, I'm sorry to hear that you're having some stomach pain as well as you're feeling lethargic and irritable. Uh, but let me explain the things one by one because there are two things like you're taking aspirin for the health of your heart, and blood pressure is completely different problem. So aspirin and blood pressure are not related. Is that clear to you, Liti?
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Since
So
doctor,
yes, tell me.
since I commencing aspirin 3 months ago, my blood pressure is excellent, but I am worried about stomach pain.
Mhm, mhm. Yes, that could be a concern because sometimes aspirin can cause stomach ulcers also in some cases. Initially, it may not be a major big ulcer. Initially, it will be just a small inflammation, and in some cases, the inflammation can progress into a big ulcer. So we have to take some precautions. First of all, I would recommend you to stop aspirin and see whether the stomach pain reduces or not. Does that feel okay? Does that make sense to you, Liti?
Yeah, yes, doctor. But I am anxious whether you stop the aspirin. How can I down my blood pressure?
Yeah, Liti, let me explain one more time that blood pressure and aspirin has no relation. Blood pressure is a completely different medical problem, and aspirin will not lead to increase or decrease in blood pressure. Okay, is that clear to you, Liti?
Okay, doctor.
So for blood pressure, we would be giving you some other medication, and with that, your blood pressure will be under control. Now your present problem is of stomach pain. For that, we will stop aspirin for some time, and also I will give you some medication which will reduce the acidity in the stomach, and that can help in reducing your stomach pain.
Yeah,
Okay,
but I
Miss
have
Liti?
another. Yes, doctor. But I have another problem as I am worried about whether I have stomach cancer or demand further investigation.
Uh, it is very less likely that you're having any major stomach cancer, any major issue with the stomach like stomach cancer. But if you wish, then we can go ahead with some of the investigations like a camera test, which is called as a gastric endoscopy, which can be done on OPD basis. So if you wish, I can advise that test to you, and that will clear your doubt completely. Okay, does that
Okay, then.
make sense,
Yes,
Miss Liti?
doctor. Yeah.
So for, and then finally for your blood pressure, apart from medicines, other things are also important. That you have to take care of yourself properly. You have to change your diet. You have to follow a good lifestyle, and also you have to exercise regularly. With these
Yeah.
methods plus medications, your blood pressure will be under control. Okay,
What
Miss
kind
Liti,
of
any
diet
other
I
concerns
can
you
take?
have?
What kind of
Yeah.
diet I can take for the blood pressure?
For blood pressure, generally less salty, less fatty, and less spicy food is uh, advocated.
I
We will
used to do
be
exercise.
referring you to a dietitian. Yes, yes, Miss Letty, please go on.
I used to do exercise every day half an hour. So is it okay with the doctor?
So that is really good, Miss Lekki, that you are doing exercise regularly. Yeah, that much generally exercise for 45 minutes a day or 5 days in a week is the standard prescription for any patient. So half an hour exercise is really good. Any other concerns you have, Miss Lekki?
No, any other concern, doctor? Thank you, doctor.
So I will be giving you some of the leaflets which you can go through and know more about the side effects of aspirin, and also another leaflet about management of blood pressure. My clinic's number is also written down there. If you have any issues further in future, you can call and take an appointment. Thank you, Miss Letty.
Okay, doctor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Okay. Both of you have done an excellent job. I'm very happy with the way that you have tackled this role play conversation. And I think it was on time. It shouldn't be really longer. Okay. So let me go through the feedback now. Okay. The first thing I would like to give you is that. Okay. Give me a minute. Okay. The first thing is that you were able to establish a good rapport. Okay, so you were able to establish a good rapport with the interlocutor very well. I'm very happy with the way that you have been talking to her. All right, so you were able to introduce yourself in a polite and caring manner, which is really amazing. Okay, I'm very happy with that. And then you were able to use connecting phrases throughout the role play in a very well organized, very well, maybe you can say in a well organized way. So that's amazing. So the way you have used the connecting phrases was amazing. I'm really happy with that. There are a few grammatical mistakes. Okay, for example, you said blood pressure and aspirin. Sorry, aspirin has no relationship. That's wrong. So you should say blood pressure and aspirin have no relationship. That's how you should have done. Okay, because there are two of them, right? You were able to pronounce really very well. Your pronunciation was amazing. You were able to pronounce the words correctly and effectively. I'm happy with that. That's another thing. You know, your background noises have been reduced dramatically. Your background noises and hesitations were literally reduced to nil. Okay, it was almost, I think, you know, I was able to listen to only, I think, one background noise or maybe one hesitation. Literally, it was nil. Okay, I'm very happy with that. So that's a perfect thing. But the problem is there was one question where you haven't asked it appropriately. You said, any other concerns do you have? That's what you said. So that's wrong. You should have asked, you know, the questions using the grammatical structure. Okay, that is correct. All right. So you should have said, do you have any other concerns? That's how you should have asked. Okay. But apart from that, it's all good. You were able to summarize the information properly. Okay, I'm happy with that. The way you have induced the patient to share with you the information is also awesome. Okay, so you were able to share the information and get the information Okay, in a polite manner, that's good. Connectivity is good. Vocabulary is awesome. Vocabulary is really good, you know. So you are able to, with the use of more formal phrases. So I'm very happy with that. So you have used more polite phrases this time. Okay, everything is at their best in today's role play conversation. See, I'm very happy to give you at least 370 out of 500 for this role play conversation. So it's so amazing. I'm very happy with that. Okay, you have committed only, you know, 2 grammatical mistakes, and apart from that, it's amazing. You may be able to get probably a bit higher than this as well. Yeah, but if you perform this way, you will be able to definitely score at least 350 out of 500. That's what I would like to confirm. Okay. Are you happy
Okay,
with
thank you.
this? Are you happy with my assessment?
Yeah. It means you are really encouraging me. But I feel for 2-3 mistakes I did, some hesitations in between. But okay, like these are bound to happen. Like, but I have to reduce it as much as
Yeah, but that's all right. You know, see, there are some hesitations are still acceptable. You know, do you know what I mean? Some hesitations, you know, and things like that. It's okay. It shouldn't be an issue. They're not going to test your technical knowledge. Do you know what I mean? I mean, if you say something
yes.
technically incorrect, still you will not be penalized. Okay, remember that you will not be penalized
Yes.
at all. No, it's all about the way you manage, you know, the situation, the way you address the concerns of the patient. Do you understand what I mean? So technical
Yes.
information will not affect your score. Will not. They will not. Okay, for sure. All right. Thank you.